Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fit another Starline i96 on this really lovely 2019 S-Class. Customer was a bit paranoid about someone cloning this key, so we fitted this product. How the system works is every time he gets in the vehicle, he turns on the ignition to the yellow lights come on the ignition and goes through a push sequence. If he doesn't do that, the vehicle won't start. So if we try and start it, you see the vehicle's not starting. Okay? So basically now, ignition on. Goes through his push sequence. On here we've done something very basic, so 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a melody, there you go, keep your foot on the brake, start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. If the customer wants to do a code change, because someone may have seen the code, this is also very simple. The way you do that is ignition on, so main ignition on, go through your disarm code, so 1, 2, 3, 4, receive your melody, and then hit this button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the ignition off. Count to 2, then turn it back on. And we get 5 bleeps. So that's now in learn mode. So if we're going to change the code to something very basic, so we're going to go 3 on here. So 1, 2, 3. Notice we're hearing a bleep, which means the button can be used. We're going to get confirmation now. And now we repeat the same code again. So 1, 2, 3, wait for a confirmation. There you go, turn ignition off, leave it for about 10 seconds for the system to arm. And then we'll try the new code. Also on this particular vehicle, we've actually paired up an iPhone to it as a Bluetooth authorization tag, which I'll show you shortly. So you don't have to go through this push sequence. So some people don't really want to press any buttons. They just want to jump in, get a confirmation and start the vehicle. Okay, so let's just now try the new code. I think I've set it as 3 now. So 1, 2, 3. There you go, confirmation, start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, if you want to take the car for a service and you don't want to disclose the code, this is also straightforward. It's just disarm code, melody, then hit the button again 11 times, ignition off, pause, ignition on, and you get 2 bleeps. So I'll show you that now. So ignition on, 1, 2, 3, wait, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, key off, pause, back on. 2 bleeps. This is now in valet mode. So it means you can start the vehicle as many times as you want and it'll stay in valet mode. When you get the vehicle back, all you basically do is ignition on and just put your disarm code in, it will jump out of valet mode. So ignition on, disarm code. There you go, double bleep out of valet mode. Now I'm going to show you Bluetooth tag using the phone. So now we have Starline key, they're connected. So we'll just go to the app now and we'll show you the app, how it actually works. So if we look at the app now, we'll actually see we've got a green circle around it. So all we really do now is just turn on the ignition, listen to the melody and start the vehicle. So ignition on, melody, start. Really clever, really straightforward. When you want to take it for a service, all you do is go to the app, put your finger on the key, hold it till it goes to amber, release. There you go. 2 bleeps means it's in valet mode. When you get the vehicle back, you can either take it out of valet mode in 2 ways, inserting the code or just putting your finger on the key, holding it till it goes back to green and release. There you go. That means now the system is fully protected. It can see the tag authorization by the phone. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye-bye.